Most companies think buying AI tools equals innovation. In this video, I'll explain why that is wrong, and they are missing a crucial step. Most companies don't have strategies around AI. They think AI automation. They don't know what AI is. They think these AI tools may help me get a better output and potentially I could cut my workers. That's a lot of the thought processes of how automation and AI is shaping the industry. And yes, AI and automation is a great tool. And software is great tools when it is done right and executed right. But a lot of these executives are forgetting one important part: strategy and workforce development. And then they're also forgetting one more crucial part: innovation is bigger than AI. AI is a great tool, and AI is still good for production, and AI is good for a lot of things and can help you do a lot of things. But there are a lot of more technologies on the horizon, like quantum computing and other things like biotech, agrotech, that will disrupt industries, still like AI is disrupting industries. And you must be able to be agile and aware on how to use those innovations properly, how to use AI properly. So one solution that my company provides is innovation assessments. These innovation assessments allow us to analyze your industry, your workforce, and see how ready you are for the tool of AI if you want to implement AI, or just to analyze on what you could potentially do and how ready you are. Then we analyze trends going on in your industry with AI, how to use AI properly. Because yes, AI works, but you just can't throw AI at everything and every problem. Just for example, I'm going to use the healthcare industry for example. A lot of the healthcare experts know out there that there are HIPAA regulations. And a lot of times you can't feed open source or just AI models customer-facing data, because that may put you liable to violate those HIPAA regulations. So you must strategize, you must analyze, you must know how to apply it properly to see those measurable results you are looking for. Don't just throw software at everything. Look on how you can train your workforce. Look on how you can analyze your workforce, how you can see how they are interacting with these tools. How can I make them better with these tools so I potentially could get a better output in long term? So back to the overarching thing, the innovation assessments allows us to analyze your industry, how you should apply innovation on the horizons, and how you should apply AI if that's what specifically you're looking for properly. Now it can transition into those innovation assessments is just a starting point. So you can understand what is going on in your industry, what needs to happen, what to be look out for, what regulations to look out for your said industry. And that it should give you an analyst of what to do and how to go forward on developing strategies and policies around AI. Don't go into AI without any policies mapped. You need policies, regulations in your company about AI. That is no doubt. If you're a financial firm, that could open a big liability for you if your employees, unknowingly, if you have no AI policy and they're feeding a large language model, ChatGPT, client information to help them with their work, instead of you catching on saying, hey, we can't do this because of this regulation. And you as a business owner understanding, hey, this technology can make me more productive, but if I apply it in this area where I can do this, or if I get a closed source model and train my employees on how to properly prompt engineer and how to properly do the right things with AI, and also learn a broader aspect of innovation, ultimately I'll have better results than my competitors. Because what are the competitors doing? Well, a study shows 95% of AI projects have yet to see measurable results. Now, this study is questioned on some of the size of the scope and if it was full development, full implementation, like consulting, like training, like things like that. But this shows that something is missing. Are you just throwing AI tools at everything with no training? Are you just throwing AI tools with no policy? Are you sure your workers know how to interact with that tool properly to drive the best outcome? And that brings me into my last point, another service that is very crucial that a lot of other companies forget: workforce development. You have to train your employees around technology and around innovation. Just like you have to train with consultants in strategies. You hire on strategy firms like mine to help you map out the strategies and policies. You also need to hire firms that do the similar things that we do on training your employees on how to use AI properly, how to get innovation to work, what is coming on the horizon, what to be aware of, how to interact with this AI tool. Not generic AI workshops, not generic AI 101 workshops. That's what the innovation assessment is for, to analyze what you are doing so we can provide tailored insights, operational specific insights. Because we know every business is different and you don't need generic tools. You don't need generic strategies. You need operational specific tools, operational specific strategies, operational specific training for your specific workforce. A generic AI 101 workshop is not going to work. You need a highly tailored workshop around your operations and to analyze on how to apply AI properly to your industry. Why am I saying this? Why am I talking about this? And no, it's not just to promote my services for my company. No, it's to make business owners aware of potential risks, of things they may be overlooking. Because you just throwing software at everything will not fix your problems, and it will actually hurt you a lot more than if you develop strategies, if you develop your workforce with those tools, if you teach your workforce how to use AI and how to apply innovation, what's on the horizon so they can be resilient. There's a lot of more technologies on the horizon. And here at Innovite Solutions, I'm Tyjuan Hughey, founder and CEO. We make sure you are ahead of innovation. We are your innovation partner, making sure you are ahead of the competition when it comes to innovation with your innovation strategy and making sure your workforce is ready for innovation. If you have any questions, if you're interested in an innovation edge assessment, I recommend you scan this QR code right here. And if you have any questions, you can email our company at this email right here. All the information is down below in the description. Be sure to stay ahead of innovation. If you are interested in innovation and business topics and following my journey as a young 21-year-old CEO on this journey of strategizing and helping business leaders prepare for innovation and AI and training, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.